Hi guys, and welcome to Treasures Woven with Love. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click on the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you like my video for this week. For this week's project, I decided to spruce up my backyard garden with some spike nails and rebar that my husband had laying around the house. So I took those and decided to paint them in white and place them in my garden. So let's get started. The supplies you'll need for this project are large spike nails, white paint or any of your choice, a paintbrush, and of course some newspaper. I started out by taking the spike nails and nailing them into a piece of wood we had laying around the house. That was just to make it easier for myself when I painted them. If you notice, the paint I'm using is Behr's Premium Plus. That's just some leftover paint we had, so I decided to use it for this project. So just paint the nails, let it dry, and then we can continue with the second half of the project. If you notice, there's a pretty little orange butterfly that just decided to land by the rebar as I was getting ready to paint them. Here's what you'll need for the second half of the project: the steel rebars, paint, paintbrush, and newspaper. So I basically just painted the rebars with the white paint on one side, and then I let that dry. And then I turn them over and I continue painting and let that dry. So once they're completely dry, you can place them in your garden or wherever you choose to put them. So this is what mine looks like once I finish painting them. I took them and I put them in my backyard and put them in different areas of my garden. I painted them in white just because I like the color white and it makes my garden look so much nicer. So here's the final reveal. Remember, you can choose any color you want to spruce up your garden a little. So if you like my video for this week, please like, share, consider subscribing, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next week with the next project.